Hello everyone, welcome to Timon Marak vlog channel, and today I would like to introduce my new friend. Here is Tomy. You can see he is Tomy. I found this cute little bird near of my house, fell down from the tree once when the storm destroyed their nest. That's why and fell down. The Tomy was very small, and then I took it home. I take care of this always here with me and don't want to go away from here. He's one of our family member. Tomy is one of our family member now, right Tomy? Tomy, yeah. Look here Tomy. Yes, Tomy, look here.